नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 7th Canto, Chapter 15, Instructions for Civilized Human Beings. Text 65. आत्मजाया सुतादीनाम् अन्येषां सर्वदेहिनां यत्स्वार्थ कामयोरैक्यम् द्रव्याद्वैतं तदुच्यते। आत्मा जायसुतादीनाम् अन्येषां सर्वदेहिनां यत्स्वार्थ कामयोरैक्यम् द्रव्याद्वैतं तदुच्यते। आत्मजायाः सुतादीनाम् अन्येषां सर्वदेहिनां यत्स्वार्थ कामयोरैक्यम् द्रव्याद्वैतं तदुच्यते। Word meaning: Atma, of one's self; Jaya, wife; Suta adinam, and children; Annisham, of one's relatives; Sarvadehinam, of all other living entities; Yat, whatever; Swartha kamayo, of one's ultimate goal and benefit; Aikyam, oneness; Dravya dvaitam, oneness of interest; Tat uchyate, it is called. Translation and purport by Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation: when the ultimate goal and interest of oneself, one's wife, one's children, one's relatives, and all other embodied living beings is one, this is called Dravyadvaitam, or oneness of interest. Please repeat. When the ultimate goal and interest of oneself, one's wife, one's children, one's relatives, and all other embodied living beings is one. This is called Dravyadvaita, or oneness of interest. Purport. The actual interest of all the living entities, indeed, the goal of life, is to return home back to Godhead. This is the interest of one's own self, one's wife, one's children, one's disciples, and one's friends, relatives, countrymen, and all humanity. The Krishna consciousness movement can give directions for management by which everyone can partake in Krishna conscious activity and reach the ultimate goal, which is known as Swartha Gatim. This objective of everyone's interest is Vishnu. But because people do not know this, Nate Vidhu Swartha Gatim Hi Vishnu, they are making various plans by which to fulfill so many concocted interests in life. The Krishna consciousness movement is trying to bring everyone to the highest interest. The process may be differently named, but if the aim is one, people should follow it to achieve the ultimate goal in life. Unfortunately, people are thinking of different interests, and blind leaders are misleading them. Everyone is trying to reach the goal of complete happiness materially, because people do not know what complete happiness is. They are materially diverted toward different interests. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnanaatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakhyurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vande Aham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnambhamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Visakhanitamscha Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desha Tarini Nama Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratisai Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubheva cha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Atmajaya Sutadinam Anyesam Sarvadehinam Yat Swartha Kamayoraikyam Dravyadvaitam Taduchyate. when the ultimate goal and interest of one's life, oneself, one's wife, one's children, one's relatives, and all other embodied living beings is one. This is called Dravyadvaita, or oneness of interest. Hare Krishna. So, Prabhupada is writing in purport, the actual interest of all living entities, indeed the goal of life, is to return home back to Godhead. That is the ultimate interest of all living entities. Return back to Godhead. To just like Narottam Das Thakur used to say, Manav janam labhiya Radha Krishna nabhajiya Janiya suniya visakhainu Hari Hari Bifale janama goainu. Because though the goal of life is to return home back to Godhead in all species of life, but specifically this human form is meant for this particular goal, return back to Godhead. It is not, maybe in other species, the living entities may not be, their consciousness may not be so highly developed. But a human being is specially, his consciousness is developed. Durlabhang manusang janma. Because this human form of life is very special. If one achieves the human form of life and he is not performing devotional service unto Radha Krishna, if he could not understand the real goal of life, still engaged always in sense gratification, such a person is knowingly drinking poison. Or in Srimad Bhagavatam, also recommended in many places, Labdhva sudurlabhamidam bahusambhavante manusimarthadamanityam apihadhira turnam yatetana pateto anumrityajavat nisresasaya visayah khalu sarvatah syat. We have, by many lifetimes, because of our good fortune, we have attained this human form of life. Sudurlabham idam. This very rarely achieved, this form of human life we have achieved. So, though this human life is a human body that is made of 5 material elements, like earth, water, ether, and fire, and air, and like other living entities, bodies are subject to destruction, and this human body also subject to destruction. But still, this human body is meant for a special purpose, how to make our real interest, the ultimate interest, that is return back to Godhead, would be fulfilled in this lifetime. Manusim arthadam anityam apiha dhira. So dhira, who is very sober person, intelligent person, he must utilize this form of human life for ultimate goal of life, that is the return back to Godhead. He should do this before turnam jatata na patet anumritya javat. Because before death come, one must be very careful and to how to utilize this human form of life and for devotional service unto Krishna, and finally return back to Godhead. So that in many places, many Prahlad Maharaj also used to say, Durlabhang manusang janma jadyapi adhrubam arthadam. This human form of life is very rarely achieved. Durlabhang manusang janma. though it is also subject to death like other bodies of the all other living entities, but still this human form of life is a special purpose. Ahara nidra bhaya maithunancha samanya etat pasubhi naranam dharma tu eka adhika vishesha dharmena hina pasubhi samana. This is Niti Shastra. Says that like other living entities, in every species of life, the four things everyone is doing: ahara, eating; nidra, sleeping; bhaya, to do something to save or protect himself from fears, and the sex desire, to fulfill the sex desires. These things are going on in every species. But human species is special. If a human being, he acts like other living entities, simply waste his time for eating, sleeping, mating and defending, then his life becomes useless. A human being has to follow the religious principles. The ultimate goal of all religious principles is to achieve Krishna. Eka deva devaki putra eva eka shastram devaki putra gitam eka mantra tasya namani jani. This is the goal. If you want the ultimate benefit of everyone, then we must accept one worshipable Lord. Who is that? Devaki Putra. Who is Devaki Putra? Krishnaya, Vasudevaya, Devaki, Nandanaya cha, Nanda Gopa Kumaraya, Govindaya, Namo Namaha. He is Devaki Putra. Devaki means also Devaki, the wife of Vasudeva, name as Devaki, and one name of Mother Jasoda is also Devaki. So Devaki Putra means also the son of Devaki and son of Jasoda, because Nanda Gopa Kumaraya. He is both Nanda Gopa Kumaraya, same personality. So we must worship only one Lord, one Supreme Lord. He is Nanda Gopa Kumaraya. He is Govinda, Krishna. And if you worship, how to worship the Lord in this age? Tasya namani jani. In this age there is no other way, no other way, no other way. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. By simply chanting his name. So everyone must chant this special mantra that is given for the peoples in this age of Kali Yuga. Iti Sudasakang namna Kalau Kalmasanasanam Nato Parataro Upaya Sarva Vedesu Drishyate. After making a great research, even Brahma declared that, O Narada, there is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way in this age of Kali. If you want to do benefit for everyone, so that is, you must chant this particular mantra, Dravya Advaitam. If you solve for the interest of entire humanity, then oneness of interest for everyone, then you must chant this particular mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is Tasya Mantrani Jani. This is the only mantra for this, recommended for this age of Kali. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. 3 times repeated. Even we have so many mantras in Shastra, so many verses in Bhagavatam, but still this particular mantra is recommended to chant in this age. When Prabhupada started this movement in Western world, in America, And he advised the devotees to chant this Mahamantra, and also in Japa, also in Kirtan. Then somehow after he came to India, then when he returned back again to America, so when he came to New York, then he saw some other mantra was chanting, people are chanting. They are doing very nice Kirtan with chanting other mantra. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. Also chanting this mantra there. Doing very nice Kirtan. Prabhupada told, who is this Kirtan? I never taught this Kirtan. How they chanting this mantra? Where did he get this? He sent his secretary, go and stop this Kirtan. Immediately stop the Kirtan. Then Prabhupada went and asked, where did you get this mantra? I gave you the Hare Krishna mantra. Chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. They told Prabhupada, this is in Bhagavad. This mantra in where? In your book, in Bhagavad. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Hinatha Narayana. Prabhupada told, but this mantra is not recommended for this age. This particular mantra that is coming in parampara system, from Brahma to Narada, Vyasa, then Vyasadeva Madhavacharya, then in this parampara, this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this particular mantra. You have to chant this particular mantra, not other mantra. If you want to serve the interest of everyone, if goal is only one goal for all humanity or even for all living entities, if you want to do their well-being, then you have to chant only this mantra in this age. There is no other mantra. Krite cha dhyayata Vishnu tratayang yajate mukhai dwaparang paricharjayang kalautat Hari Kirtana. Meditation in Satya Yuga, in Trataya there is a Jagya, Karmakanda Jagya, to offering oblations and fire. Then in Dwapara there is a deity worship, and in the age of Kali there is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So, Prabhupada is writing the Krishna consciousness movement can give directions for management by which everyone can partake in Krishna consciousness activity and realize the ultimate goal, which is known as Swartha Gatim. Nate Swartha Vidu Gatim Hi Vishnu. That is the ultimate goal. Everyone's interest is Vishnu. But because people do not know this, they are making various plans which fulfill so many concocted interests in life. So that's why this Krishna consciousness movement is specifically preaching this mantra. Which mantra? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, when he gave this mantra to the Navadip, the residents of Navadip, and then he told, any time you can chant this mantra. Even when you are awakening, when you are sitting, when you are standing, when you are sleeping, when you are eating, any time. There is no restriction for chanting this mantra. Generally the mantras cannot be chanted all the time. You have to take a bath, if you are in a purified condition, you can chant Gayatri. Gayatri mantra, like any mantra, the first word is Om. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. This is mantra. Om Namah Narayanaya. Narayana is Ashtakshara mantra. Vasudeva is Dvadasakhara mantra. This is mantra of Dhruva Maharaj. Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Dhruva Maharaj is chanting. But that is Satya Yuga. Om Namah Narayana. That is Prahlad Maharaj was chanting. Ashtakshara mantra. This is Narad Muni gave this mantra to devotees. So, but this is not recommended mantra for this age. For this age, Narad Muni himself gave the mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So in this age we have to chant and we will do Kirtan also in Japa, the same mantra. Krishna Varna Tvisa Krishnam Sanga Panga Astra Parsadam यज्ञे संकीर्तन प्रायैर जजंती ही सुमेधसा. Sumedhasa means most intelligent. Those human beings is most intelligent. In this age of Kali, they accepted the Sankirtana movement of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna Varna Tvisa or Krishna. He is Krishna Varna. Same Krishna, he is the same Krishna, but or Krishna. Now his bodily color is not Krishna. He is accepting the bodily color of Radharani and also the mood of Radharani. He appeared as Gauranga. Krishna Varna Tvisa or Krishna. He not alone, Sangha, Upanga, Astra, Parsad, he came. Who is Sangha? Sangha, Upanga. Sangha is like, in this Panchatattva, three of them is Vishnu Tattva. Who? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita. And in Shakti is Godadhara, is Upanga, and also Narada Muni is a devotee, living entity. So, in this is a Panchatattva-atmakam Krishnam, the five features of Krishna. Sangha, Upanga, Astra. What is the Astra? Jiva Goswami says that the Astra of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is his own beauty. He is so beautiful. Because he is Radha Bhava Choro. He has stolen the beauty and also mood of Radharani. So, Krishna is very beautiful, but when he also combined the beauty of Radharani, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nahe Anya. He is most beautiful. His bodily feature is very extremely beautiful. Even Jagai Madhai, they also build sing Gauranga. They though they do harm to others, but when she come and hear Kirtan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this Nimai Pandit is nice. He is doing nice Kirtan. Anyhow, so that's why his beauty and also Hare Krishna mantra. He always chanted Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is Narayana Astra. By using this particular weapon, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu attracted everyone, all living entities. Papi tapi jato chila hariname uddharila tarasakhi jagai madhai. So this is the weapon, his beauty and also Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Astra Parsadam, Gaura Bhakta Brinda. Those during time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, those human beings, those have taken the part as a direct associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Navadip, and they are not conditioned souls. Gaurangera Sangi Gane Nitya Siddha Karimane Sejaye Brajendra Suta Pas. The Lord never performed his pastimes with conditioned souls. No. When he did some pastimes, he only performed his pastimes in association of his own associates. They are not conditioned souls, they are liberated souls. They just appeared in this material world to do some drama, to teach us a lesson. What is how to perform the Juga Dharma Sankirtan in this age of Kali. That's why Mahaprabhu's time in Gauranga Sangigana, those were appeared and he took part in Gauranga Mahaprabhu's pastimes. They are not conditioned souls, they are liberated souls. So, Mahaprabhu Krishna himself, he came as Gauranga and he taught us what is our goal and how to perform it, how to achieve the goal. He told the goal of life is to achieve Krishna Prema. Other acharyas, they came also. They told about dharma, artha, kama, moksha. 4 purusarthas, the goal of life. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told no, there is another purusartha. That is prema pumartha mahan. Aradhya bhagavan braje satanaya tadhama vrindavanam ramya kachit upasana ब्रजवधूवर्गेण जा कल्पिता श्रीमद्भागवतं प्रमाणममलं प्रेम पुमार्थमहान् श्रीचैतन्यमहाप्रभुर्मतमिदं तत्रोदरनापरः. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, he wrote this very beautiful verse. So he told the goal of Gaudiya Vaishnavas is to worship Brajendra Nandan Krishna. That is the goal. Goal of life is to worship Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesatanaya. And similarly his eternal pastimes place, this Vrindavan Dham is also worshipable for us. Tad Dhama Vrindavanam. How to worship Krishna is taught by his eternal associate, by the Brajavasis. They saw the path. Specifically Brajavadhu Vargena Ja Kalpita, the gopis, they saw the path how to love Krishna. They did not ask anything to Krishna. So Krishna told, Nopare aham, I cannot, I am always remain indebted to you. I cannot pay your, because they are not asking anything. Gopis, they simply love Krishna, they serve Krishna. That is the way. How to please Krishna. Brajavadhu Vargena Ja Kalpita. What is the speciality with Brajavadhus, gopis? There are so many devotees, they are all serving Krishna. But what is the speciality of gopis? They have been ready to go to hell, but they want Krishna to be happy. One time in Dwarka, Krishna just, he told that I have some headache. I am getting so much pain. Please give me dust from some feet of some devotees. Someone can give some dust for his feet. So if you massage that dust on my head, then I will be cured. So then they try to find Uddhava, Narada, they themselves also did not want to give dust from their feet. But they are searching where you can get some dust. Even the Gyanis, big Gyanis, the Munis, Rishis, they told no, he is Brahma, he is Param Brahma has no headache. How it is, he is just some drama, we do not want to give. Because we give, then we have to go to hell. Even many other devotees, even in Dwarka, living in Dwarka, even his own queens, Rukmani, Satyabhama, they all queen, they also did not agree to give some dust from their feet. So now the Uddhava told, just give some dust, will message on the head of Krishna, then he will be okay. In 3 worlds, everywhere, Narada and Uddhava, they are searching dust. No one gave ready to give dust. So they came to Braja, this Vrindavan. Then saw the Brajavadhus, the gopis, they are just in the bank of Jamuna. Seeing Narada Muni, they become very anxious to know about Krishna, because Narada always traveling, he knows all news with Narada Muni. So they asked Narada Muni, what is about our Krishna, what he is doing in Dwarka. So Narada Muni told, your Krishna is suffering so much. He has fever and also headache, heavy headache, migraine. Not get cured. We have tried. So many doctors came, Vaidyas came, it is not successful. So we can do something. Gopis, they have become very anxious to knowing that Krishna is suffering. Told, yes, that's why I came here. I need some dust from your feet. Can you ready to give some dust? So when I take this dust and massage it on Krishna's head, he will get cured. Gopis become immediately ready. They started they put their feet again on Jamuna water. They are not washing their feet. They are thinking when our feet will wet, then more sand can come in the same feet. Told, take. Narada Muni, you have not bring anything to take. Okay, we will pack it. They took dust and they pack up it. Told, take it. Narada Muni, surprising. How they are so quickly get ready to give their dust from their feet. Narada Muni told, do you know Krishna is Param Brahman. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If I massage the dust from your feet on his head, then you all will go to hell. Gopi told, we don't care. We may go to hell, we don't care. But our Krishna may be cured and he may be happy. That is the mood of the Brajavasis. They don't want their own happiness. They always meditate on how to make Krishna happy, how to please Krishna. That is the mood of Brajavadhu Vargena Ja Kalpita. That is the mood of the devotees of Krishna. So, we must always try our best to please Krishna. How to please Krishna? How can you please Krishna or Gauranga? How can you please Krishna? Chanting Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oh internal energy of Krishna, oh Krishna, please engage me always in your service. Just tell like this. Of course, this is also a service. Now, Namacharya Haridas Thakur was chanting 3 lakh Nam, but he is also the fast preacher. Who? Suna Suna Nityananda Suna Haridas Sarvatra Amar Agya Karah Prakash Prati Ghare Ghare Giya Karoi Vikya Bolo Krishna Bhaja Krishna Kara Krishna Sikhya. Make others, everyone chant Hare Krishna. Advise them to chant Hare Krishna and also read Bhagavad Gita. So that who was the first preacher? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appointed 2 persons to first go on for preaching. Who them? Nityananda Prabhu and another one? Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur was chanting 3 lakh name. Mahaprabhu was very pleased. The same time, so Rath Yatra, just recently Rath Yatra has gone. On Rath Yatra day, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu organized the Kirtan party, there's 4 main Kirtan party. The one of the Kirtan party who is the main dancer also, Haridas Thakur. The 4th Kirtan party. First Kirtan party is there, is Swarup Damodar was singer and Nityananda Nesari, Advaita Acharya was dancer. Second Kirtan party, who is it? The singer is Srivas Thakur, dancer is Nityananda Prabhu. Third Kirtan party there is Mukunda Datta and dancer is Haridas Thakur. Then Bhakteswara Pandit is dancer in 4th party. 4th party the singer is Govinda Ghosh and others. So that day how he chants 3 lakh names. Dancing in Kirtan party in front of Jagannath. Haridas Thakur also dancing there, one dancer of one party. Then that day he is chanting 3 lakh name. No. Maharaj and Mahaprabhu engaged him in dancing. Because he has no service for his chant. When they get service, then you have to do service. So you have to preaching na chatasman manusyesu kaschin me priyaputtama. That's why gopis also, they are the topmost servant of Krishna, but still they chanted. Tava katha mritam tapta jivanam kabi bhiriditam kalmasapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadaatatam Bhubhi grinhanti je Bhuridajana Bhubhi grinhanti je Bhuridajana. Bhuridajana, he is the most munificent personality who distributed your katha, tava katha, O Lord, your katha, your appearance and your activities, your pastimes in this world, the tava katha, they are like nectar, nectar, they are mohosadhis for the conditioned souls, those who are suffering from 3 types of miseries. tapta jivanam. They are suffering. Adhyatmic, Adi Bhautik and Adi Dauvik kleshas. Suffering comes from other living entities, suffering from their own mind, senses and mind. And they are also getting some sufferings from the supernatural powers by the demigods. They are always suffering. But when they engage in hearing and chanting your kathas, your pastimes, Bhagavatam, then tapa katha amritam tapta jivanam, and they get relief from their miseries, their pains. Gopi is telling, we are not telling this. Kavi viriditam. Kavi means the philosophers, the most intelligent persons, great philosophers, they also declared this. Kavi viriditam kalmasapaham. When they engage in chanting your glories, preaching your glories, then all their sinful reactions are vanquished. Kalmasapaham sabana mangalam. By hearing your katha, your pastimes, all the auspiciousness comes to the hearer, to the living entities. And Srimad Atatam, they become very fortunate. Srimad means fortune. They become fortunate. In this way, Srimad Atatam bhubi grihanti je bhurida jana. Actually, those people are most intelligent, most munificent, most dear to you. Those who are always engage themselves in preaching your message. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this is the real interest. This interest of one person, also interest of the entire society. Everyone should engage in this age of Kali, chanting this special mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, ultimate goal in life, this is the ultimate goal in life. Unfortunately, people are thinking of different interests, and blind leaders are misleading them. Everyone is trying to reach the goal of complete happiness materially, because people do not know what is the complete happiness is. They are materially diverted toward the different interests. Actually, this is the real interest of life. Chant and be happy. Bharata bhumite haila manusya janmajar janma sarthaka kari kara para upakar. First, you make your life successful by chanting the holy name of the Lord offenselessly. Niraparadhe nama laile pae premadhan. You have to chant the holy name in this age of Kali without offenses, and also preach others to chant holy name offenselessly. Aparadha sunya haya laha Krishna nam, niraparadhe nama laile pae prema dhan. This is the goal, this is the end, this is the means. Sadhya sadhana tattva. This is the secret of your sadhya and sadhana. We are sadhakas, but we are chanting this holy name in offensive stage. Then gradually we go to abhas stage. Then finally, what is the goal? Chant holy name offenselessly, pure holy name. We have nothing to change. Your whole life you have to chant up to death. You have to chant this mantra. You started in devotional service by chanting this mantra, and up to end of life you have to also chant this Hare Krishna mantra. First with offenses, and in end pure name, with love. Then we achieve love of Godhead. That is the ultimate goal of life. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. This is the secret of sadha and sadhya sadhana tattva. Chant, chant, chant. What to chant? Prabhupada one lecturer is telling, in New York there is a poster. In road there is a poster. This one old man is telling, chant, chant, chant. Then his wife is telling, can't. I don't want to chant. But this is the secret. You have to chant. If you want to make your life successful, Then you have to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. In this age of Kali, there is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. Hare Krishna. So any question or comment? Yes.
We cannot chant.
Yes, dancing. Dancing and also chant. Maybe chanting, may not chanting sometimes. Dancing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Kirtana party is always one singer, main singer and one main dancer. When the people sing, follow the main singer. Then when they dance, they follow the main dancer. No, this is not. You are not Parama, you have to do one service at a time. You chant, don't chant inattentively. All offenses started from inattentive chanting. After 10 offenses we tell, it is also offensive to remain inattentive while chanting. This is root cause of all other offenses. Chant attentively. When you hear Bhagavatam, you also hear Bhagavatam attentively. When you chant holy name, also chant attentively. Don't do both service in one time, then you will be inattentive in both. You cannot be successful. So chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, very attentively. Then gradually you will be free from offenses. Unless you chant the holy name purely, then pure name, then how can we will achieve prem? When you chant holy name purely, without offenses, then you can achieve pure love of Godhead. Okay? This is the means, this is the end. Chant Hare Krishna starting with offensive stage, then you will reach, and in end, chant without offenses and with love. Then you achieve Krishna prem. Yes? Come from here.
Let's say we have done 16 hours of chanting in the morning, and we have a lot of services, so we don't have time to chant more. Let's say at one place collectively.
Yes.
Can we still chant along with, let's say we are walking, there is some other cooking?
You chant always. That is Mahaprabhu told. You chant, but don't take japmala. You chant like this. Work and chant. But don't take japmala and do also talk someone.
But wouldn't that still be inattentive because we are not paying so much attention while chanting while doing other activities?
And either you are not chanting the pure name, at least. Just like telling someone has a not uncle, then he told at least better to have a blind uncle. One has no uncle. He's only, at least if he is blind uncle, that is better than having no uncle, like that. Chanting with offenses is better than not chanting. You will go on chanting, and one day you will come to that platform, pure name. So chanting is pure name, and chanting without offenses and inattentive chanting is not the same. Understand? You can chant, but not in the same platform. Okay? Japa is for yourself, chanting, congregational chanting for others. Congregational chanting is for preaching, this is preaching. So, japa is for yourself. Your spiritual master gave you so many instructions. But number one instruction is to chant 16 rounds attentively. That is number one instruction of your spiritual master. First save you, then protect others, save others. First you save yourself. If you not chant 16 rounds attentively, then you cannot save yourself from Maya. How can you do something good for others? Janma sarthaka kari kara paropakar. So the best instruction of spiritual master is to chant 16 rounds every day, attentively. This is the number one instruction of spiritual master. All other instructions, secondary. Understand? So without you chanting your round, you cannot do anything. You cannot think about, you may be plan so many things, but you cannot be successful. You will achieve purity by chanting attentively. 99% of our spiritual success depends upon how we are chanting, the quality of chanting. If you are not chanting attentively, then whatever you are doing, this is just a show. First chant your rounds attentively. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की।